Welcome to my channel Knowledge Guru. So today I will explain how to create Google form in your mobile. So let's start. As you can see here, so many templates are there. So if you want to create a quiz or a test, so click to blank quiz option. Or if you want to take any information from anyone, so click to blank option. So today I am going to create a quiz. So I am clicking to option blank quiz option. So I am giving here title first, test, and in description I am writing July 20. Okay, so first I am giving here that name of the student. Okay, as you can see here, so many options are there like short answer, paragraph, multiple choice, checkbox, drop down, etc. So do it required. To add another option, click here to that plus option, standard. Okay, so here also I am writing doing it required. Okay, to add a section, click here. So I am giving here maths. Okay, and so I am clicking to add a question here. Okay, so I am writing here 2 plus 2. So I am giving it in multiple choice. So option 1, option 4, here 1, here 9. Okay, so I am clicking here answer key. So here you can give the points. So I am giving here 5 points, and then click to the right answer and click to add answer feedback. Adds incorrect answers or correct answer. So I am doing here correct answer. I am writing here correct answer is 4. So save it. And do it required. So I am adding one more section, science. So I am adding here question number 1. What is energy? Okay, so I am giving it in short answer, 1 line answer. Okay, so 5 points and done. And here you required. So I am creating one more section, section English. Okay, so I am adding here one more question for English. Write a paragraph on Diwali festival. Okay, so it is in paragraph, so they can write long answer. So I am giving here 10 points, and this is required. Okay, so I am creating one more section, giving here computer. So I am adding here a video. So click to this option. From this option you can add a video. So I am searching here how to use computer for kids. Okay, so search. So which video you like, so click to that video and select. And you can give here title for that video. How to use computer. Okay. So I am adding here one more section, and this is drawing section. Okay, so I am adding here, and I am adding a image for kids. So as you can see, there are options like upload camera, by URL, photos, Google Drive, Google image search. So I am clicking here Google image search. So I am searching here lotus drawing for kids. As you can see, so many options are there. Okay, so I am clicking here and insert. Okay, so lotus drawing. Okay, now I am clicking here to the add a question. So I want that the students should upload their drawing image. So I will go to this option. So file upload. Okay, so as you can see, cancel and continue. So I will click here now, continue. Okay, so upload your lotus drawing, and this is 10 points, and it is required. Okay, and as you can see, maximum number of files and maximum file size. So I am keeping it one only, and maximum file size 1 MB. Okay, so this is done. As if you want that science and math should be only for the 3rd standard, and computer and drawing subject should be for only 4th standard, so go in the standard and do it multiple choice. So I am giving here first year 3rd standard, 3rd, and here 4th. Okay, so it is required, and do here go to section based on answer. So I am doing here. As you can see, go to the next section. So for 3rd standard I am selecting here maths, and for 4th standard I am selecting here computer. Okay, so now go to the math section and do here submit form, and then computer section submit form. As like this you can create so many Google Forms for kids. As you can see the color option, so as you can select here your theme color, so I am doing it blue, and you can choose a image. So I am doing it okay, insert. So this is done. Okay, and you can see your theme color, so click. Okay, and background color also is there, so done. And as you can see this eye shape option, so click there. You can save your preview. Okay, okay, I am writing here next. As you can see I have selected the option maths section, so now math section is there, so I have done 5. Okay, so submit. So here view score option, so as you can see what came, the correct answer is 4. So like this you can do. Okay, okay, so I am going back. Okay, as you can send, and you can see your responses, so you can see here. Okay, so I am sending this. Copy. Okay, so I have done copy. So go in WhatsApp and paste. As you will click that choose an account. Enter password. As you can see, so I am clicking your fourth. Oh, so this is the required question. So Moksh. Next, you can see this video and submit it. Okay, so like this you can create your own Google form. So thanks for watching. I hope you like this video. So like the video and subscribe to my channel Knowledge Guru. Bye friends.